Good morning, everybody. It is since 52 years we have St. Thomas held high for its glory and eminent factors in uplifting the students' career to lead them to lead the world. Behind all the success stories of our students, there stands a single pillar holding the cornerstone firmly with all her sacrifices and hard work. Yes, it is none other than our dear founder, Mrs. Ponoma Matthews. Founders Day is an important day marked in the school calendar to remember our dear founder. Since the whole world is under a pandemic situation and only the technology binds us together, we decided to have a small program through online with a few of our children who volunteered to show their gratitude for their founder. Dear parents, stay with us till the end of the program. Thanks may be a small word, yet it speaks volumes and volumes of the hidden sentiments of gratitude within the hearts. Let us start the program with a prayer song. Optimistic thoughts of our dear madam always echoes on the walls of St. Thomas and inspires our little blossoms. With such an inspired thought, Swati Patnaik of Standard 4 is here to talk about our dear madam.
Good morning everyone. Today is such a special day. When we remember our founder Ponoma Matthews, I feel really privileged to talk about her. Mrs. Ponoma Matthews was born in the year 1924. She came from a family of teachers. After completing graduation, she completed teacher's training and she started the school as nursery school. Imported to Montessori system of education, she started the school to help all the children who want to complete their education in English medium. This institution started to serve all the students without seeing the community. And I am very much privileged that I got admitted in St. Thomas Matriculation Higher Secondary School, and I am very proud to be a part of this school. Thank you, dear madam. We will carry your dreams throughout the world. Thank you.
Songs carry memories. Songs carry blessings. Songs carry happiness. Songs carry love and gratitude. To share the eternal joy of being a student of St. Thomas, the garden of Mrs. Ponoma Matthews, as children are here for a special song.
You have given me my breath. You have given me my strength. You've given me everything I needed. You have shown me how to shine. You show me love all the time.
நீ பிறந்தது வெற்றி மேல் வெற்றி பெறுவதற்கே, தோல்வியுற அல்ல. தன்னம்பிக்கை கொண்டு தடைகளை தகர்த்தறிந்த திருமதி பொன்னம்மா மேத்யூஸ் அம்மையாரின் தைரியமும் தன்னம்பிக்கையும் எங்கள் பள்ளியின் பெண் குழந்தைகள் அனைவரிடமும் மிளிர்வதை காணலாம். அவர் வித்திட்ட ஒரு வித்து ஒரு விருட்சமாய் கதிரொளி வீசி அவரை பற்றி கூறும் காணொளியை காணலாம்.
அன்பிற்கினியோரே, அறிவினில் சிறந்தோரே, உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது முதற்கண் வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். பிறந்து இறப்பதில்லை வாழ்க்கை, இறந்த பின்னும் வாழ்வதுதான் வாழ்க்கை என்ற பொன்மொழிக்கிணங்க நமது உள்ளங்களில் எல்லாம் வாழ்ந்து கொண்டிருப்பவர் தான் தங்க தாரகையாம் திருமதி பொன்னம்மா மேத்யூஸ் அவர்கள். நமது சகோதர மாநிலமான கேரளாவில் 1924ஆம் ஆண்டு அக்டோபர் 21ஆம் நாள் ஒரு செல்வ குடும்பத்தில் பிறந்து சீரும் சிறப்புடன் வளர்ந்து பின்பு கல்வியின் பால் நாட்டம் கொண்டு அடிப்படை கல்வியை கற்பிப்பதற்காக மாண்டிச்சோரி கல்வியை லண்டன் சென்று படித்து முடித்தார். பின் தனது துணைவர் திருவாளர் மேத்யூஸ் அவர்கள் திருவெற்றியூர் MRF கம்பெனியில் சீரும் சிறப்போடு பணியாற்றி ஓய்வு பெற்ற பின் அவர்தம் துணையோடு மக்களுக்கு செய்யும் சேவையை கர்த்தருக்கு செய்யும் சேவை என கருதி சாத்தாங்காடு பகுதி மக்களின் அறியாமையை போக்கி அவர்கள் உயர்வு பெற கல்வி எனும் சுடர் விளக்கை ஒரு குடிசையிலே ஏற்றி வைத்து இப்பகுதி மக்கள் அறிவொளி பெற 1968ஆம் ஆண்டு தொடங்கப்பட்டதுதான் இந்த தூய தாமஸ் மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் மேல்நிலை பள்ளி ஆகும். இப்படியாக ஒரு குடிசையிலே ஆரம்பிக்கப்பட்ட இப்பள்ளி இன்று அருகென வேரூற்றி ஆழ்போல் தலைத்து வானமே எல்லையாக உயர்ந்து ஆண்டுதோறும் பொதுத் தேர்வில் 100% தேர்ச்சியினை தந்து ஆண்டோரும் சான்றோரும் போற்றுதலுக்கும் பாராட்டுதலுக்கும் உரியதாகி தனக்கென தன்னை இடம் பிடித்து 50 ஆண்டு பொன்விழாவினை கடந்து வெற்றி நிலை போலும் மிகச் சிறந்த பள்ளிதான் தூய தாமஸ் மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் மேல்நிலை பள்ளி. நமது பள்ளியில் படித்த மாணவியர்கள் உலகம் முழுக்க மருத்துவர்களாகவும் பொறியாளர்களாகவும் பல முன்னணி நிறுவனங்களின் முதன்மை பொறுப்பேற்றவர்களாகவும் திகழ்ந்து நமது பள்ளியின் புகழ் பரப்பி வருகின்றார்கள் என்றால் மிகையாகாது. அன்பானவர்களே, தாயை போல் பிள்ளை மூளை போல் சேலை என்பதற்கிணங்க தங்க தாரகையாம் திருமதி பொன்னம்மா மேத்யூஸ் அவர்களின் தவ புதல்வி தங்க மலர், புது மலர், புரட்சி மலர் என்றெல்லாம் போற்றுதலுக்கும் பாராட்டுதலுக்கும் உரிய நமது பள்ளியின் முதல்வர் இப்பள்ளியின் பொன்விழா ஆண்டினை தொடர்ந்து கல்வி புரட்சி செய்து சீரும் சிறப்புமாக இந்த வடசென்னை பகுதியிலேயே மிகச் சிறந்த பள்ளியாக நடத்தி கொண்டு வருகின்றார்கள். நாளொரு மேனி பொழுதொரு வண்ணமாக நம் பள்ளி மென்மேலும் வளர்ச்சி பெற்று சிறக்க வாழ்த்துகின்றேன். வாழ்க திருமதி பொன்னம்மா மேத்யூஸ் புகழ், வளர்க தூய தாமஸ் மேல்நிலை பள்ளி. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
A seed that nurtured from St. Thomas is watering and growing thousands of saplings. Yes, Mrs. Asha Christie, a past pupil of St. Thomas, is a principal now. Her path of success is endured by St. Thomas. To share her memories and gratitude, she has posted a video on the wall of St. Thomas. Please do watch.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Mrs. Asha Christie, ex-student of St. Thomas Matriculation Higher Secondary School, batch 93. Years have gone by, and today I'm really glad that I'm here in front of you to pay my salutations to our beloved founders of this eminent and outstanding institution. Founders Day is traditionally marked as a very important day in a school's calendar, a day to remember the founders of the school and to value their legacy. We are very much indebted to our founder, Mrs. Ponamma Matthews, who had the vision that led to the birth of the school back in 1968. On this auspicious day, I take this opportunity to pay my gratitude on behalf of all my colleagues and students to the glorious founders of our school. It is truly because of these noble minds and their sincere efforts that has made us attain professional success. No successful person can forget the roots from where he or she came from. In this regard, I owe my gratitude to my principal and all my teachers who have emboldened me to face this challenging and competitive world. My sincere thanks to you all. I'm indeed thankful and grateful to our beloved Principal Madam, Mrs. Shirley Zack, who has molded me to what I am today. Shirley ma'am has not only motivated me, but has also inspired each and every one of us to identify our true selves. Ma'am, I still remember those days when you used to be behind us for the Christmas carols. all these memories still lingers in my mind. Opportunities knocks the door only once, and it's up to us to utilize it in an effective manner. At this juncture, I would like to profusely thank all my teachers, especially Rani Miss, Ruby Miss, Mohana Miss, Salima Miss, Betty Miss, and Tilakavati Miss, who has infused in me with all qualities required to become good human being both personally and professionally. I feel immensely proud and elated to say that I am a product of St. Thomas Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Success is definitely possible. However, you have to decide for yourself whether you're willing to work hard or not. It's up to you to understand the value of education and realize that St. Thomas is here for your success. Thank you all once again for having given me this privilege to express my regards to my school and to my dear teachers. Stay safe, stay protected, have a good day. Thank you.
The opulence of talents and success of St. Thomas speaks about the hard work of our dear founder. Though we haven't seen the sower of the seed, we enjoy the fruits of her hand. So it's not difficult to talk about her. A vice principal is here for a short talk.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are celebrating the Founders' Day of our school, Golden Jubilee, St. Thomas Matriculation Higher Secondary School. You see, all the people, they are starting a school, into educational institution to earn money only. But according to Madurai, giving education to a poor child is greater than all other services in the world. So according to that, our founder, Mrs. Ponammal Matthews, she has started a school in a very, very poor area, undeveloped area, Satangadu. She started as a primary school in the beginning. Slowly, because of her hard work, it grew into middle school, high school, higher secondary school, as it is now running. She suffered a lot to bring up the school. See, her husband, Mr. Matthews, he supported her to develop the school in all ways. She invested all the money for the school. Even though there is no very good income from the school, she spent all her earnings to develop the school. Not only herself, and her daughter, the present principal, Mrs. Shirley Asa, she is not less than her mother. She was also brought up by her mother like that. She is also doing education as a service one, because we can know when the Corona attacked the whole world seriously, the economic, it was very, very down, and all the people suffered a lot because of economic condition. So our area people, they lost their income. They all requested our principal to reduce the fees. She reduced the fees more than what the government said. The government said to fix 75% of the fees last year, but she has reduced the fees up to 65% only. So all the people in this area, they are benefited by the reduction, concession given in the fees. I hope the school, it will grow and it will reach its height, and it will be the best school in the city. And also, I wish the school to grow into an engineering college also. Let us hope for the best. Thank you.
Music is the universal language of mankind. Where words fail, music speaks. Chalk to speak about the beloved lady, our teachers shower their gratitude through a song. A special song by the teachers of St. Thomas.
Footsteps
in a family, 35 years of association is not possible. But our teacher has such a bond with St. Thomas because she was guided and trained by the Iron Lady of St. Thomas. Here she is to share her views.
In this life, we cannot do great things. We can do small things with great love. Good morning, everybody. I am Mrs. Shakila. I had been associated with the school since 1985. Let me first thank our beloved principal for giving me this opportunity to talk about beloved Madam Mrs. Purnama Matthew. She was an angel with a smiling face. She lifted so many people and raised their standard of life. She started a school in deserted place nearly 50 years back, which has now transformed as Satmanagar. She laid a foundation for a glorious society and has equipped many doctors, engineers, teachers in today's world. All gratitude goes to our beloved founder, Mrs. Purnama Matthew. St. Thomas celebrates 52 years of substantiality of his glory and stand an icon for the society. She helped the poor and the needy to pave way for them to get good education. That is why she stands tall in our heart till now. She is a part of a teacher, a mother, a principal, and a friend to everybody. She never showed difference among the teachers. She was always with the teachers, guiding them, and had played with the kids like a child and encouraged them in all their activities. There are a few people to take opportunity to take teaching as the career and a passion because it is always noble. She was a noble woman who did to retain out to the poor and teach them how valuable is the education and retain the flexibility of rendering education to downtrodden. I am very glad to rewind my past with her and cherish the memories with the Iron Lady. This wonderful golden lady right now up above and watching the school and the organization led by her beautiful daughter who retained the qualities of her mother and nurtured the garden of St. Thomas Matriculation which stays evergreen with blossoms. Thank you. Thank you, dear ma'am, for all you have did for us and the society. Because of you, we are here now with a heartful gratitude.
With the imbibed qualities of her mother, a fire of passion in her heart, a vision for the society as a mission, our dear principal follows the path of our beloved founder. Dear parents, our madam is here to speak to you.
Good morning, everybody. We're all gathered here for the Founders' Day program. As you all have seen, we had a variety of items which we were able to do during this lockdown. Founders' Day is a very important day in the St. Thomas calendar. We want all of you to know that you're all part of St. Thomas Matriculation Higher Secondary School only because of the founder, our founder, Mrs. Purnama Matthews, who decided to start a school in this locality at a time when there was no education at all in this area. This was 53 years ago. I wonder if many of your parents also would not have been born by then. So during the past 53 years, we are trying to give education and help children to grow up into useful citizens. So that is why it is very important to observe Founders' Day in our school. I read somewhere that a child without education is like a bird without wings. Yes, a bird cannot do anything if it does not have its wings. It cannot even find its own food if it does not have wings, because wings only helps the bird to fly and search for food. The same way, education is so important for a child, and that you have to get your education from childhood. Only when you get that education, after you grow up, you will be able to have a secure life. So we focus on giving you quality education, discipline, and we are very particular about your behavior. So these are the three things that we, in fact, in St. Thomas, we give more importance to discipline. Education is required, but even now, if you're not a first ranker, we want you to have the best behavior so that you will be able to face the outside world. So this is what we have been doing all these years, and we continue to do that. I'm sure that all of you children who are here will grow out into very useful citizens. You all will all reach great heights once you leave the school. And it was such a pleasure to have so many children participate in spite of the lockdown. There were many children who came and gave their speeches. I'm grateful to those children. I'm grateful to the teachers who have been behind this and organizing this, and also to the old student who was able to spare us a few moments to share her experiences in the school. So let me wish all of you a wonderful year ahead. In spite of the lockdown, we are having our classes, and we want all of you to come out successful. I see many collectors, IAS, IPS officers, people, lawyers, advocates, engineers, all coming out of the school. We miss your bright faces, but we are sure that we will be able to get you back to school as soon as this lockdown is over. So wish you all the best, and thank you once again to all of you. Thank you.